Hi there everyone, my name is Raymar from Reymarcooks, and I'm here inside your electronic device to teach you how to make one of my favorite no-bake snacks that I like to make when I'm hungry but too lazy to turn on and clean the oven. So for the parents out there that are making this for their kids, don't worry, the cleanup's gonna be easy for this one. Well, hopefully. Good luck! So yeah, we should probably head to the cooking.
So for this recipe, there's going to be only 3 main ingredients. You're going to need 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and 1/4 cup of syrup. Me personally, I like using honey instead because I like the flavor of honey. Plus, it's also a healthier and more natural alternative. So the best part about this recipe is that you can go crazy with it by adding any other ingredient that you want. You can add chocolate chips, crushed Oreos, or even a hot dog. Now, I personally wouldn't recommend this though, but hey, it's your cookie, so you can do whatever you want with it. Now, all you need to do is mix together all of your ingredients in a bowl with any utensil, or you can do it the fun way and use your hands, like this. Magic. After mixing it all together, you can give it a taste and adjust the flavor to your liking. Now, when you get the flavor that you like, and well, you haven't finished it all yet, you can go and shape it into whatever your heart desires. Just let your imagination run wild. You can make a circle, a bigger circle, a square, a bigger square, a triangle, or even a dinosaur. Look, I'm not much of an artist, so I'm pretty sure you kids can make it a lot better than I can. Anyways, if you want your cookies to keep their shape and be a little less sticky, just place it on some wax or baking paper and shove it into the fridge for about an hour or 2, or until the cookies have a sturdier shape.
And that's it! Congratulations for making your very own version of no-bake cookies. I'd love to scream and congratulate you, but I can't scream because it's the middle of the night and there are people sleeping. So yeah, it's great for a midnight snack. Anyway, so if you guys want to see any more food pictures, food videos and stuff like that, some recipes, you guys can check out Reymarcooks on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. I don't know if the logos are gonna be there, but whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy your cookies and well, see you next time I guess. Bye!